Yeah, hello customers. I welcome you to Steven Stone Design. So good so far. This be the update from here. You know, yeah. Yeah, so we are almost done with this place. So we left the small at the top. Yeah. So the stone could not be enough. So we have involved a one cat of stones this afternoon to complete the top view. Yeah. As you can see, the job is looking so beautiful. As you can see. So after I complete here, you come to this place, as you can see. You know, yeah. So as for this place, you could see that like the beam are not too straight. Yeah. You could see that it's not that straight. So that be why we have give the rope, to the stones. So we have already used on a level to hold the rope before the installation, so that what you put here will be so straight. As you can see. So as for this customer, you want her to lay the stones on only the front view, but cover the side and side with the mortar. So that you have we put another board here and a board on the other side. You try to lay the stone on only the front view, you know. Yeah, so as for this job, you have already involved a 3 kia truss of stone that each kia costs this customer 1,800 depending on your location. Yeah, so that 1,800 times 3, I'm sure will be like around like 4,000. Yeah, like 4,000 something. You know. Yeah. So the workmanship depends on on the job particular. Sometimes you to bargain with the customer. So since the price is okay for us, you come in, you surely do the work for you. So nice and so beautiful. Yeah. So sometimes it's good to lay the stones before you put the window glass, so that the window glass will fall on the stones. But if you then put the window glass before you can, the window glass will be like you'll be inside on the stones. So in this case like this, they will come and put the window glass, to cover the stone a little bit, so that the window glass will come and cover on the stone. So it's good to lay the stones before. And if you're going to lay these stones, you are not needed to plaster. So just leave it rough way like this, and we make sure like we lay the stones on it. You know, yeah. fidelity, Lord. This love no one, no get another one. I don't think I'm waiting, I love, waiting you, love. My heart, Lord.